How to fix Bluetooth audio stuttering in Windows 11. If your wireless headphones or Bluetooth speakers keep cutting out, lagging, or producing choppy sound, try these quick fixes. First, press Windows plus S and search for mmysys.cpl. Open the result to access the classic sound settings. Go to the Playback tab, select your Bluetooth audio device, and click Properties. Start with the Levels tab and try lowering the volume slightly to test whether the stuttering improves. Next, open the Advanced tab. If you see an option for audio enhancements or signal enhancements, turn it off and click Test to check the sound. If the problem continues, open Settings and select Bluetooth and Devices. Click Devices, then find your connected Bluetooth headphones or speaker under the Audio section. Select the device and open its advanced sound properties. Here, check the available audio format options. If another format is available, try selecting it and use the test button to see if the Bluetooth audio becomes more stable. Also, make sure spatial sound is turned off. If audio enhancements are enabled, disable them as well. Finally, play some audio and check whether the Bluetooth stuttering, crackling, or audio dropouts are gone. And that's it. These settings can often fix Bluetooth audio problems in Windows 11 without installing additional software. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple Windows troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.